soil. Do not put directly to the plant base, which otherwise may cause fungal infection. Can be planted any time during the year except during winter.
And you have the spade just a few millimetres off and dig a slightly rectangular hole. Take the turf out. I want to keep the turf separate. And then use the spade. You're throwing the spade in, but it's really the weight of the spade. Dig in the hole. Place the dirt so it's not too far away. You can loose leg it up, just start near the face side and work to the back.
A spading fork is a tool used for digging. They are often confused with pitchforks, which are used for moving loose materials such as hay. The large, stiff tines of spading forks make them ideal for loosening soil and digging material out, such as roots and rocks.
And are extremely effective tools. Now I'm going to
ये इस तरीके से इसको ले लो और ये मिट्टी
अच्छा वैसे खींचे जाता है मिट्टी
बस इस तरीके से खींचते जाओ आप और बहुत गिरना नहीं चाहिए धीरे से डालनी चाहिए बिल्कुल
अच्छा
हाँ ये साइड
तो दोनों तरफ से चढ़ाते हैं
हाँ दोनों तरफ से तभी तो वो ठीक रहेगी
अच्छा
दोनों तरफ से ये देखिए आप ये इस साइड से भी इसमें मिट्टी चढ़नी चाहिए
दोनों तरफ से तो उसकी वो बन जाएगी ऊपर
हाँ
मतलब ये यहाँ पानी निकलने का हो गया
बीच में ये पानी निकलने की जगह
It's got a really nice small head for getting into tight places, but don't let its size fool you. It's one hard-working little tool. Great for getting in between plantings, really getting that hard dirt aerated and loosened up. Great for weeding, as well as mixing amendments into your soil.
Generally for flower beds or a vegetable garden. To use this tool, simply raise it above your head and thrust the blade into the soil to break it up and loosen it. A round point shovel is the classic digging tool. They are used to dig holes of nearly any size. Simply place the point of the shovel against the soil, then apply pressure with your foot to force the blade into the soil. Remove loosened soil to a pile and continue. If you encounter resistance, do not force it, as you may damage roots, irrigation pipes, or other things. A sharpshooter is a shovel used to dig smaller holes or trenches. They are also very effective in hard or rocky soil. Simply place the point of the shovel against the soil, then apply pressure with your foot to force the blade into the soil. Due to their small blade, they are not the best choice for large holes. Remove loosened soil to a pile and continue. A transfer or square point shovel is a tool used for moving materials such as rock or soil, generally from a pile. The square head creates a large
when you're digging or planting in spaces where a larger tool or a full-size tool is just too big. Also allows you to control that blade exactly where you want.
A trowel is used for digging small holes to plant small plants or seeds. Simply insert the trowel in the soil and remove some soil to create a small hole. They are usually used in soil that is already loosened.
There could be no more efficient tool head than the trowel.
A bulb planter is a tool used for digging small holes to plant bulbs. Simply insert the bulb planter into the soil and remove soil to create a small hole. Marks on the blade of the bulb planter will indicate the depth of the hole. They are usually used in soil that is already loosened. A hand cultivator is a tool used for cultivating soil in small areas, generally in flower beds or vegetable gardens. To use this tool, simply place the tines on the soil, insert, and work back and forth to loosen the soil to a depth of 3 to 4 inches.
The combination of both a hoe and cultivator in one tool head makes this a great multitasker in the vegetable patch or flower bed.
Grassy soil that's come out. Got some daffodils to put into the lawn here. In goes the daffodil. Then we're going to do the next one. When I push this one in this time, my first plug comes out, so I can put that back in the hole, and on we go. Daffodil bulb goes in. So the last one we take out, in goes the bulb. We have to push this one out from the back. And there's our final plug, and it goes into the hole. A quick stamp on them and they should be okay.
To see how much easier it can make getting our favorite bulbs into the ground. With the 5-in-1, you're not only working from a comfortable standing position, but you're also working fast, quickly pulling up to a dozen plugs, one right after the other. As you pull plugs, they get stored or stacked up inside the tool, and when you're ready to empty, you just simply turn the plugger upside down and the plugs will slide right out.
And we're just dying to show you our new 49cc post-hole borer. It features an easy start 2-stroke engine and it's only 9.3 kg, so it's nice and light, really portable, really easy to use. So let's see it go. Now this machine comes complete with a 200mm auger and is available from your local tool shed for only $3.90.
La tarière autonome thermique, matériel compact et puissant pour réaliser des forages en extérieur. Montée sur une brouette et dotée d'un moteur thermique de 2,8 chevaux, elle permet à un opérateur seul de réaliser sans effort des trous de 150 ou 250 mm de diamètre, même dans des sols difficiles, et facilite la pose de poteaux et clôtures ou la plantation d'arbustes. Le gain de temps par rapport à un forage manuel est considérable.